Funtime production. I'm Sean Cast, and today we're going to be fixing an automatic stick shift on a 2000 Ford Ranger XLT. So that guard pops right off, which my mounts need to be fixed. That comes out, and this dash comes out too. There's probably some screws under here. Yeah. We have a 2000 Ford Ranger XLT, and we have a loose automatic manual stick shift, and I believe I found the problem. See this? This is supposed to be mounted, but when I changed gears and twisted it, it snapped. See, it's supposed to be attached to that back there, which changes the gears, but this happened to be aftermarket, and that's what you get when you buy aftermarket. Anyway, going to change that out today. I believe there's 7 star pattern bolts, or 5. We'll find out today on Funtime Production. After dismounting 4 nuts, the steering wheel falls. And once it falls, it lies upon the seat. And that way, so you can get behind the steering wheel to where you get to the manual automatic shifting tube. And this automatic shift column tube is broken right there. You can see it shut. This is where it ruptured. Pretty much shattered my dreams once I popped it into gear this morning, but I'm replacing that today. Now, before I progress, there is this boot, and this pretty much pushes out. There it goes, see? Now, take the boot off, you have a star pattern wrench. Now, before we go any further, we have a little pin to take out of this, so that this pin's right here. I just happened to change this, I don't know, a year ago, 2 years ago, but I believe this was aftermarket, so anyway, we gotta take this bracket off too. So there's 2, 4, 6, 7, 8 actually. 8 of these. Set this aside. Set that aside. And we can take this out now. Also, I had to knock this pin out. There's a pin that was there. This pin was in there. And I just basically took the screw and took it on the other side and hit it in, knocked this out. So this can come off. Alright, so this comes out. Pull this out. And just lay this here. And this broken part comes out. There's also this piece I have to take out, which has a pin. Oh, This one's easy to pull out. Look at that. And then this pulls out that way. We keep these parts. That is dismounted. Got the manual automatic shifting tube. And it's broken. It's got grease. This inner part is actually still good, but I'm gonna go ahead and bring it to the shop. Parts to keep: the spring, and the little tab. Another tab. Let me take this off. The reveal. Dun, 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 dun. Got me a new part from O'Reilly's. It's extra $10, but you get a whole lifetime warranty. So when it breaks or something, you just take out the part, come in there, say this greasy part is broken, and it'll give you 1 + 2, well, under warranty. New part. It's made in China, but it does have a 10 out of 10 rating. Amazing things you can do with an element. Production. So when you replace one of these shifter tubes, they usually come with bushings, and you gotta make sure those bushings line right up with those 2 bolts, basically where the brackets sit.